Hello everyone, this is Chuck Stroyer from Stroyer Brothers Autobody and Painting here in Escondido, California. What I want to talk to you today about is getting your car ready and driving in the rain. It doesn't rain very much here in Southern California, and when it does, we see a lot of accidents. What I would suggest you do is, now that it's fall time, go out and check your car, walk around your car, check tires. Very, very important you have good tread on your tires. Worst thing in the world is to hydroplane on the freeway or on a road. It's a horrible feeling, and it really messes up your car, hitting other cars and other objects. So check your tires real well, make sure there's plenty of tread. The other things you want to do is walk around your car, check your lights. Make sure everything's working, stop lights, brake lights, turn lights. The other thing you want to do is check your headlights. If you have headlights that look like this, you need to come see me, because we can fix these, we can sand them and re-clear coat them and make them work properly, because it's hard for people to see you and it's hard for you to see them if you're driving around with lights that look something like this. This is horrible. Okay, so come see us on that. The other thing you want to do is, when you're out driving, is just slow down a piece. It's not really hard to drive in the rain. You just want to be a little more patient. You want to have a little more space around you. Don't tailgate people as close. Give yourself more space. When you come to a stop sign or a red light, start braking early to make sure you're not skidding, that everything is under control. The other thing you want to look at, windshield wipers. Change your wipers. You should do probably at least twice a year, because in California the sun beats them up, and then when you get to use them and they're old and beat up, it makes a mess out of your windshield and you really can't see very well. So change your wipers. It's an inexpensive but very good thing to do. These are some of the small tips that I can give you to help you in the rain.